gonna get to my arena. And first competitor, state your name.
Chubs.
The Chubs!
Ah!
My name is Bob. I'm the protector of this establishment. I will destroy you with one punch. Boom! Get up! Get up, I say!
Get up.
Is this all you have? So you get that tickle. Boom! One more! Want this? You want this?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to fight me for it. He's not gonna get this. Not even if he snuck up on me. Get up now! One more? Get up. Get up here, I say! You know what? Peace.